What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I got a mystery package in from 5th Avenue in New York City. I have no idea what the brand is that sent this to me, but probably by the title of the video you guys already know, so it's more of a mystery for me than it is for you. But why don't we bust this guy open and see what we've got. But really quick, before we jump into the unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. Also make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on Twitter at RealSethFowler. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Damn it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna try and be really careful when I'm cutting this because like I said, I really have no idea what's inside this box. It could be clothing, it could be, it could be anything. It could be an Amazon package. I don't know, but hopefully it's something dope, or else this video probably won't go up if it's something that I ordered. But let's see. There we go. Well, okay, not something that I ordered. Puma Cell. MCM. Oh, MCM. I have never gotten anything from MCM before. That's crazy. Okay, let's open up this note first, see what we've got. This is the classiest note I've ever gotten. Hi Seth. What's up guys? On behalf of the MCM team, we are excited to gift you the MCM Puma Cell Collab shoes. These exclusive run sneakers won't be sold in stores and there are only 150 pairs created. We can't wait to see how you style them. Your friends at MCM. No, this is crazy. Okay, I'm really excited now. Okay, let's put this note off to the side. I'm freaking out a little bit. So I got some paper. What's up, Ben? What are you doing, Ben? So let's take this Puma Cell box out of the package. I am beyond excited for this package. I just genuinely don't even know what the Puma Cells look like. So this is gonna be nuts. It's a sample tag too, it looks like. No way. So here it is, the Puma Cell MCM box. Yo, this is nuts. This is so crazy. Here we go. I just want to say before I actually get to the shoes themselves, the paper that they are in is dope. It's got the MCM text all over it. It's got Puma Cell written all over it. Whoa, what? This is nuts. Ben, hey, you're blocking the light. Can you just get out of the back of the room, please? Don't sit on it, dude. Are you kidding me? This is nuts. I don't know what to do with this dog. I guess that's just happening. I don't know what to do about that. That is absolutely 100% nuts. This is the last thing that I expected, and this is so dope. It's even got sample tags on it. This is such a sick shoe. I can't even believe it. This is like the daddiest dad shoe, and I love it. Okay, let's see the other one. Okay, so a review's definitely coming on these soon. I don't always do reviews on shoes that I unbox, but in this case, it's necessary. These are nuts. These are heavy too. I'm surprised by how heavy these shoes are. Like, I know with a lot of designer shoes, they really make them feel bulky and chunky, and that's definitely how these feel. These feel very bulky, very chunky. I feel like it's mostly in the midsole. The leather that they use on the upper seems to be pretty decent as well. Wow. It's even got this gold MCM tag on the tongue. These are crazy. Okay, let's see if there's anything else going on inside the box. Of course, it's a dust bag. Always a dust bag with these super limited releases. These are sick. So here they are, the MCM Puma Cell collab. These are so dope. I can't even believe it, man. Huge thank you to MCM for sending these over. I mean, these are like, honestly, like nothing I've ever seen before, if I'm serious, and in a good way. I feel bad trying these on because they're samples, but you guys know I'm gonna try these on. There's only 150 of these. I'm freaking out. These are so dope. So it looks like most of the upper is actually covered in this pretty premium leather, and then you've got some nubuck or maybe like really short plush suede on the tongue. You've got that gold accent again on the top of the tongue like I was mentioning before. And then you've got that Puma Cell midsole, which I've never seen in person before. Actually, that's not true. I've seen them at Puma events, but I've never tried a pair on, so this is pretty exciting. I mean, overall, man, these are nuts. I love all the colors they used on the shoe. I love the MCM print on the side. Once again, huge thank you to MCM for sending these over. I absolutely love these. These are so like next level. I can't even take it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below if you guys want to see me review these shoes. Also, let me know what you guys think of these shoes because these are not like anything I've ever seen before. I mean, these really are something else. But that about wraps up the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Is that serious, Ben? Are you serious?